Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy CJ Love here, and today I'll be going over 7 best clothing tricks that I think all men should know. Even if you're just starting out in learning about men's fashion, I feel like these tips and tricks will make you a super stylish guy. If that sounds interesting to you, let's waste no time and let's get into it. The first one is the shirt sleeves trick. I often see guys just unbutton their shirt sleeves and stuff their sleeves all the way up. Well, that is the incorrect way to do it. Please do not do that. Not only will your shirt sleeve start rolling down during the day, it will also look very messy overall. Instead, try this. Unbutton your shirts, roll your sleeves up to your elbow, and roll the bottom fabric up one more time to ensure tightness. This way it will stay nice and snug around your forearms and it just looks way cleaner. The second trick has to do everything with your zippers. I know they can be super annoying when you have a hard time zipping them up or down. The solution to make your zippers always easy to zip is to apply Vaseline to the track system. It will actually help the zipper glide easily. Moving on to the third trick. When I see a guy with an empty wrist, I always get the ick just by looking at it. I mean, come on, just wear a watch is literally the easiest way to stand out and look more stylish overall. Here is me wearing an outfit. One is with a watch and the other without it. Which look do you find more stylish? Exactly. Jewelry is already hard as it is for a guy to pull off. So having a piece like a nice watch that you can wear every day that ensures that you look good, this is just an easy opportunity to not be taken advantage of. Let's roll to the fourth trick. This is all about how to make your clothes last longer. It's no surprising that your clothes have the tendency to deteriorate over time after wearing and washing them. One way to preserve your clothes, for example your graphic tees or your denim jeans, is to turn it inside out before you wash them. This is great because it will be gentle on the side that people actually sees and preserve the quality in the long run, and also give a deeper clean to the interior side of the fabric that rubs against your skin, which consists of dirt and sweats. The fifth trick is applicable to the current season that we're in right now, which is summertime. Most people will make a mistake with the whole sockless look. If you're gonna go sockless, make sure you wear no-show socks. Fellas, if you don't wear no-show socks when wearing a leather shoes in the summer, you will get horrible blisters, sweaty, uncomfortable AF, and also your shoes will be stink and you will probably ruin your shoes. Number 6, I call this a dapper quick fix. Okay guys, when you are wearing a dress shirt that is a little bit too tight, a lot of the time you end up with exposed skins because the button starts pulling it. Literally looks like it's gonna pop off and fly all over the place. That's just how awkward it looks, to be honest. Yikes! This one is a cheap fix. Just grab a double-sided tape and place it on the under the button that tends to pull. And now you can move all you want without having to worry about your skins awkwardly showing, if you know what I mean. Lastly, number 7. Alright, this is a great one right here. You want to match the same colors of your shoes to your trousers/pants. The reason why is because it will pretty much elongate your legs, or gives the illusions of an elongated legs longer than what it really is, which in terms make you, my guys, fellas, a little bit taller. And that's it from me for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications, as I will be posting more videos like this in the upcoming weeks. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye for now. Peace.